Hey guys, welcome to GB's Garage. I'm George and today we're talking detailing products. So I picked up a box of CarPro. I thought it was time to step it up a notch with my detailing routine. I'm a big user of chemical guys, but I've been really getting a little disillusioned with the product range. It just seems to be so diluted, bit of money grabbing. I put out another few videos where, they're titled, too much choice, and comes down to offering 5 or 6 products to do the same thing, and it's just enough now. I want something that is a product for tires, and that's it. One product for tires, one product for glass, one product for interior, and so on. So picked up a sample box from CarPro. It comes with 16 products. We're going to go over to the workbench now and I'll take you through what's in this box. So right off the bat, what an awesome idea, a sample kit. I don't know many people that would go and buy a 16-ounce bottle, 500 ml bottle of a detailing product just to try out. I have done that, and I've sprayed it once and not been happy with it. So this is a great idea. 16 products in here. Each bottle is 50 milliliters or 1.7 fluid ounces. I really think it would be awesome if other detailing manufacturers did the same thing. I love it. On the back here, we can see the products that are in here. 4 of them are new products that have been brought out. So we'll just go through them now one by one. So we start off with a multi-purpose cleaner for exterior and interior use. Hydro 2 foam, wash and coat in one step. This is pH neutral. You can see these are 2 different bottles. They still both hold 50 ml or 1.7 fluid ounces. A CarPro is a product that is world renowned. It's made in Korea, and really read good things about it. I'm excited to start using it. This is I want to say Echo, but maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong. Maybe it's ECH2O. I have no idea. I'm going to call it Echo. Waterless wash and quick detailer for exterior surfaces. Descale powerful acidic car shampoo for hard water and tough dirt. I guess really good if you're parking your car outside and haven't got around to washing it for a while. You've had rain, you've got those water droplets that have dried on there. You would use something like that. Reset intensive car shampoo, natural active ingredients. Really love the branding on this. I think they've done a fantastic job. It looks professional. Retire. So Retire is a dedicated tire and rubber cleaner. Again, it looks a little bit different to everything else, but it's still, sorry, out of camera there, still 50 milliliters. Now Retire and this product here, Pearl, this is a water-based silicone oxide coat. It's good for plastic trim and tires. They do have another product though that is called Dark Side, specifically formulated as a rubber sealant, I believe it is. Lasts a lot longer than Pearl. However, this does work really well on tires. I have used this. Retire is what you put on before you put Pearl or Dark Side, and there's no Dark Side in the box, unfortunately. But so this is to clean the tire, and this is to dress the tire. Reload silica spray sealant. Spotless 2.0 intensive water spot remover for all surfaces. Bug out insect remover. Elixir high gloss quick detailer. I know this is really good if you've got a ceramic coat on. This will not deteriorate the coating. So really good quick detailer. Tarex powerful tar and adhesive remover. So if you're removing decals and you've got a bit of that gluey leftover, this is what you're going to use. as well as tar removal, of course. Hydro 2 Light, ready to use wipeless silica spray. Inside, a dedicated leather and car interior cleaner. Inner QD, so interior quick detailer and anti-static and antimicrobial. And lastly, eraser, intensive oil and polish cleaner. So if you're prepping for ceramic coating, you want to get any oily residue or old polish off so you can get the car ready for that ceramic coating. You're going to use something like this. Now, I picked this kit up from a local detailing supplier. I'll put the link in the description. I paid 68 Canadian dollars for it, and I think it works out to like $5.30 per sample here. I think that's great value for money. So I'm really looking forward to trying all of these out and making some more videos for you guys with my experiences. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.